When seven curious little goats cross paths with a hungry wolf, they find themselves in a suspenseful chase. The wolf, sneaky and quick, tries to lure them into his trap. But the goat remember their mama's word, stay together and be smart. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe it and hit the bell icon and write a beautiful comment. Thank you. Once upon a time, Mama Goat and her 7 little kids lived happily in a snug little cottage by the forest. Mama Goat was known for her gentle, kind heart and always treated others with warmth. Her little goats adored her, knowing her loving habits by heart. Kids knew Mama's habit well. She always knocked 3 times softly, and her voice was gentle. They felt safe knowing this, but they also felt a bit sad at the thought of strangers. She reminded her little ones, "Remember, my dear kids, don't open the door to anyone. If someone comes, ask questions kindly and smartly, but stay safe." One day, Mama Goat had to gather food for her kids, so she gave them advice and then went on her way. Later that day, a knock came. It was not its usual gentle knock. They knew. A voice said, "Little ones, let me in." The voice was rough and unfamiliar. The youngest goat, a bit sad and nervous, asked politely, "Who are you? Why do you want to come inside?" Voice outside paused, and then the visitor tried again, soundly sweet this time, but the kind felt unusual and asked through the door. The voice outside said, "Little goats, let me in. It's your mama, dear." The oldest kid replied, "You are not our mama. Why are you come in?" The clever goats were not fooled. They asked mother, "What is the answer to the rainbow riddle?" Wolf hesitated. The goat laughed. "You are not our mother. Go away." Wolf. Hearing this, the wolf realized his plan was not going to work. The voice paused, surprised by the kind question. A traveler. I am looking for a place to rest." Hearing the god's question, the wolf realized his plan was not going to work. Feeling defeated, he snuck away into the forest. When Mama Goat came home, the little ones told her what happened. She smiled warmly and hugged them. "You did just what I hoped, my darling. You were kind, asked good and smart questions, and stayed safe. I am so proud of you." From that day on, the little goats knew that they could be kind to strangers but also wise, asking questions to keep themselves safe. They felt proud of their kindness and their ability to protect each other. They felt safe and smart, knowing their loving mama would always come home.